If you're a girl or a parent who has a girl, this is for you. You know that one thing that happens to every single one of us? You know it. The thing. No one talks about it, but we all get it. It can be scary, embarrassing, confusing, and lonely. Especially the first one. Do you remember the first time you got yours? Yeah, it's hard to be a tween going through puberty. And it's hard to be a mom, dad, or caregiver to support your tween. Hi, I'm Maddie, and I've been there. RedDrop and I are working together to break the stigma and actually start talking about periods. 4 out of 5 schools don't give students the education they need to feel confident in their bodies during puberty. Moms, dads, caregivers, it's time to step in, and we're here to help you. How to give your daughter the talk, what products to buy, how to empower them. Girls, we're gonna be like your big sister. Period hacks, puberty education, girl talk. So you feel prepared and know you're not alone in this, because you're not. We aim to empower every girl with education and support. So please ask questions, engage, and leave comments. And we'll respond, answer your questions, and give you a virtual hug when you need it. It's time to open up this conversation. Subscribe to be a part of it. I look forward to seeing you soon.